amore mio. Tsaka, buonasera, amore mio.
Aba, nagbabasa ang anak ko. Hoy, baka magkasakit ka kasi nagbabasa ka.
Nangiinis ka naman eh. Mabuti nga ako nagbabasa para matuto ako. Eh ikaw, wala.
Hindi ko naman kasi kailangan yan. Nandito ko para sumuporta lang sa'yo. Ano ba kasi binabasa mo, ha? Ano ba yan?
Ito, Italian. Parang naman matuwa sa akin si Gabriel, di ba? Baka naman sabihin niya sa akin, puro ganda lang ako. Kahalata naman yung tao.
Nag-iisip ka na in fairness, ha? Okay yan.
Buonasera,
Jasmine?
Ay! Han!
Hello.
Yes!
Honey, I have some really good news for you. May journalist na gusto kumuha ng mga stories from the victims of the typhoon. People from Leyte. I don't know, I think they heard about you and your interesting stories. And they wanna have an interview with you.
Sadali. Ano ba yung interview yan? Wala naman akong sinasabihan eh. Ano bang storya yan? Sino nagsabi sa'yo?
Baby, relax. I don't know, maybe the guys told them about your stories, but you have nothing to be worried about it. Alam ko na makakaya mo yan. Hello, you're a writer. Parang ka lang nakukwento.
Eh, hindi sandali, Gabriel. Ano eh. Tigil mo na lang yung interview na yan kasi paano kung magkamali ako tsaka paano kung ano-ano yung mga itanong nila sa akin. Wag na talaga. Ayoko na mag-interview.
Honey, hindi silang tatanong na hindi mo alam. Kaya, you have nothing to be afraid of. Usually, the people who have fears, those are the people who be afraid of doing interviews because they usually get afraid and they get caught on their own web of lies. Pero ikaw, I know everything about you, hon. So stop worrying, okay?